guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, we are doing a Nykaa haul. A Nykaa haul, yes, after ages. I think this year I've been very low on my makeup shopping because truly I've been grateful that brands have been sending me a lot of products to try. So then I don't really feel like the need to buy a lot of stuff. But recently I was just running out on some of my essentials and I also wanted to try some products on my own, so that's why I've got some things, and I'm also going to be showing you guys some of the PR stuff that I got, which you can buy, which I think is great. So it's going to be a very long haul. I have tons of products laid right now in front of me, so I think this is going to be fun. So if this is something that interests you, then please continue watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so I'm going to be starting off in no particular order. All of these products are going to be just very random. So first up is this Vaseline Deep Moisture Intensive Care body lotion. I'm so sorry you guys, I've tried like a couple of other body lotions, but nothing beats the moisturization and hydration that this one gives. So I truly and genuinely like this one. I still am looking for a very affordable, you know, like another option in another brand, because yeah, I just want कि कोई और product हो जिसको इस price पे, इस quantity पे beat कर सके, because the quality is damn amazing. Moving ahead, I have this very expensive and bougie product. This is the Bath and Body Works Raspberry Jam Donut Shower Gel. Now this shower gel comes with aloe plus vitamin E, and it's very gentle and has a non-drying formula. Look at the packaging, you all. It's very pretty. So it really smells like a bakery, like literal bakery. I also have the perfume from the same range, so I thought why not. And of course this was sent to me by Bath and Body Works itself. Anything that has not been bought by my own money is going to be mentioned on the screen, so you guys can figure it out if I have paid my own money or not for buying any particular product. So you know, transparency matters. So yeah, I got this one. I'm very excited to try this one. Okay, moving ahead, I have a face scrub. It's been a long time that I tried like any physical exfoliant, you know, like a proper face scrub. So I have the Nykaa Natural Saffron and Honey face scrub. It's a pretty decent face scrub. I've tried it like 2 to 3 times and it's very nice. Given the price, it's very pocket friendly. Yeah, I think this retails for ₹249 each, and I have other variants from this range as well. And if you're looking for like a very affordable face scrub option, then you can definitely go for it, but it's not something very extraordinary. Okay, it's like, it's a normal regular face scrub, but it's cruelty free and it doesn't has any paraben or SLS, so that's great, and you can definitely try this one out. Next up, I have this very nice and my favorite face wash, which is the Nykaa Naturals Lavender and Chamomile face wash. Anything that is lavender has to be with me. So I love the fragrance of lavender. It's very calming and it's very nice to me. I really like lavender. So yeah, this is this face wash. It's very, yeah, I'd say it's very non-drying. It's very gentle, and if you like try to wash a full face of makeup with it, it will like get rid of 70 to 80% of your makeup. I think it's a very decent product at a very decent pricing. It retails only for ₹139, which is great. So yeah, you guys can actually try this one out. It's not a very bad face wash. It's a very good face wash for a very decent price. Yes. Okay, so next up I got another body lotion, which is this Garnier Body Cocoon body lotion. That's how the packaging looks. So this one I got from recommendation of my very nice friend. Her page is by Makeup by Vanshika Shekhawat. So she lives in my city, and I think the last time I posted a Nykaa haul, she commented down below that you must try this one out. It's a pretty great body moisturizer. So I got this one. I must say it's very lightweight, very non-sticky. You won't even feel that there is something on your skin, and it works very nicely as well. I've tried it, but I feel like I have a Sahara desert skin, so yeah, I need to like top it off it with something else, or I might just need 2 or 3 reapplications during the day. But in itself, like if you don't have very dry skin, then this one is going to work perfectly fine for you. It's a great product. Okay, moving ahead, I have a very nice lip balm. So I have this Plum Candy Melts vegan lip balm. This is how it looks. Look at the packaging first of all. It's like very luxe and bougie I feel like, and ये इसकी packaging ना बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे Laneige के जो sleeping what do we call it, Laneige lip balm जो है उससे काफ़ी मिलता जुलता है, and it looks something like this. Clearly I have been using it a lot, so it's a great lip balm. Okay, मैं कहना ये चाहती हूँ कि lip balm बहुत अच्छा है. Like compared to the average lip balms, it's a very nice lip balm. I feel like बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक expensive lip balm की feeling आती है मुझे इससे. Plus it's very sweet. Like if you apply it and by chance like you lick your lip balm, ठीक है? We tend to lick our lip balms, so it's very sweet in taste. Okay, so I have also technically eaten this lip balm. But yeah, anyways, मतलब अगर आप Laneige नहीं afford कर सकते ना, then definitely you can go for this one. Personally मैंने कभी Laneige नहीं खरीदा है, so I feel like this is my Laneige only. This is my Indian Laneige. So Plum Candy Melts, this is in the variant Red Velvet Love, and it's very sweet, so I eat it also. So next up I have a foundation with me, which is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro, I think Second Skin Foundation. This is how this one looks. This is in the shade 031 Honey Beige, and it matches me perfectly. Now let me tell you, this is such a nice foundation. Like if you're someone who doesn't likes to wear like a full face of heavy makeup, मतलब अगर आपको heavy duty matte foundations नहीं पसंद है, you want something very breathable, very light, and which gives you like a very skin like finish. It says Second Skin Foundation, and I truly believe that it's true. It's such a nice foundation, especially for winters. I feel like it's very hydrating, बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से blend होता है. It's definitely buildable, but again it's very lightweight. So my suggestion would be that, like how I've been using it, is that I apply concealer for like my spot concealing, and then I use like 3 to 4 drops of this foundation, and you know, like I just randomly spread it using my beauty blender, and it just gives me the most natural finish with the most minimal coverage that I like. Like मैं daily wear में ऐसा ही makeup करती हूँ, so I love this one. I think winters में I'm going to exploit this foundation. Ever since I've got it, I've been using this only. Okay, I think this is going to be that one product that I'm going to be telling you guys, kuch aur lo ya na lo, please close your eyes and buy this product. Yes, I'm talking about the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now I already own one shade from this concealer range, and I got another one. Now this Swiss Beauty Concealer, ये 6 shades में available है, and this time I got the shade 04 Medium Beige. जो मेरे पास पिछला shade है, it's meant more for like, you know, highlighting your under eyes, like I'm wearing that shade today, and it's not like a very appropriate color for actually concealing your like dark circles and all. So this shade is perfect for that purpose. मतलब मैं इसको लगा के पहले अपना conceal कर सकती हूँ, and then using that shade I can do the highlighting of my face. Now let me tell you, this is such a good concealer. It's very cheap. It retails for rupees 199 or I think 220 rupees, but it gives you such a beautiful natural satin finish while maintaining that coverage, while giving you that hydration under your eyes. It's a beautiful, damn beautiful concealer, and it's very lightweight. So my one request, if you're looking for a good concealer, please go buy this one. Swiss Beauty, you have done an amazing job by making this product, and I'm truly in love with this concealer. Okay, moving ahead, I have a few products from MyGlam. Now I've been working with MyGlam as their affiliate for the past 3 to 4 months, and I have got the chance to try quite a few products from them. So I'm gonna just show you some of my like favorite products, or जो मैंने ऐसे randomly उठाए अपनी vanity से. So let's just get started. So the first product is this MyGlam Chisel 3-in-1 highlighter blush bronzer palette, and it looks something like this. You can see my camera and me, but here's the palette. It comes with a very nice bronzer, blush and a highlighter, and I'm a fan of all of these products. Like I'm wearing this today. Okay, why did I go blank? But anyways, so the contour shade it's perfect. It's not very warm, it's not very cool tone, so it's very nice. Then the blush, it's actually a very nice blush. Like on your skin, it's just, it shows up very naturally. It's a very nice color, and then the highlighter, it's like a champagne gold kind of a thing. मतलब बहुत yellow tones वाला gold नहीं है. It's a very nice subtle expensive सा gold. So really nice product. Of course I love the packaging. It has like this metal finish, and then it also comes with a mirror. So great. And MyGlam is also a cruelty free brand, so that is great. So yeah, I think I really enjoy this palette, especially for your travel purposes and all. These kind of palettes work best. Okay, moving ahead, I have some singles from MyGlam. So first up is this MyGlam Pose HD blush duo. That's how the blush looks. इसमें एक side में बहुत ही ज़्यादा dark mauve blush है, and then this side it has like a nice rosy sort of a blush. Again, it's a matte blush. It's very pigmented, so you want to be like very careful while picking up the product. Don't like just swirl your brush a lot. A little goes a long way. It stays for a good amount of time. I mean, it's a very nice decent blush. I love the packaging, you know, it's something very different. It's neither metal, it's not, I don't know what it is. ये गत्ता है, ये कागज की packaging है. I don't know how, but it's a recyclable packaging, so that's great, and that's how this one looks. So this is nice. Okay, next up I have the MyGlam Pose HD highlighter duo. Oh boy, such a beautiful highlighter. Now when I eventually got it, I was like, I'm only going to be using the gold shade and not this rose gold one, but I think this also looks very beautiful, especially when you're going for that really nice tan look, और अगर आपने बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक अच्छा से Indian look करा, I think अगर करवा चौथ पे ये आप ये वाला highlighter use करोगे, it's gonna look bomb. It's a very subtle highlighter, okay? It doesn't enhances your texture. It's not very powdery. It's very smooth. It's buildable, of course. And yeah, again we have the same MyGlam ki signature Pose HD range ki packaging, so it's great. And next up I have MyGlam Pose HD bronzer duo. That's how the packaging looks. Again, it's a very nice product. Bronzes ना affordable बहुत कम है इंडियन मार्केट में, अगर आप ढूंढने चाहो तो. मैंने पर्सनली बहुत ढूंढा है, and except from Wet n Wild, I didn't really find like good bronzers, but I think this one is something that I really wanted to get my hands on. ये इसमें थोड़ा सा contour shade है, and this one is a bronzer. You can either mix them up or you can use them individually. Works great. Again, very creamy, not patchy, very lightweight, and it also stays for a good amount of time. I think overall MyGlam is a very, I feel like underrated brand है, लोग नहीं try कर रहे हैं, but their products are bomb. Like काफ़ी अच्छे products हैं इनके. So you, especially the bronzer, you guys can definitely check out the bronzer. I know आप लोगों को भी bronzers मिलने में दिक्कत होती है, so this bronzer is one that you can definitely get your hands on. Okay, so moving ahead, I have another foundation, which is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I bought this foundation on the recommendation of that Quirky Miss. I'm still, yeah, my shade is W240 Warm Beige. That's my foundation, and it comes with like कैसा applicator है इसका, जैसे Wet n Wild का applicator है ना, it comes with like this spatula sort of applicator, and I have tried this foundation, and let me tell you, it's very near to coverage and quality with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And it's a very big thing because Fit Me is like a go-to, like Fit Me affordable foundations में एक standard foundation है, but I think it's time कि आप लोग Lakme भी try करो. It's a very nice foundation, and I feel like compared to Fit Me, it's much more comfortable and like hydrating on your skin. That's what I feel. मतलब it is matte, but it also doesn't really, you know, like dries out you completely. Yeah, it's great, and the price range is also sasta. This is for rupees 475, and on discount you can easily get it for rupees 300. So if you're looking to switch your Maybelline foundation or try another affordable foundation, then you can definitely try this one out. I got this recently and I've tried it like 2 to 3 times, and I have been totally satisfied with this one. Okay, you guys, I have another showstopper product. I think ये product मेरे video के बाद viral हो जाना चाहिए. Again, I think these cheaper brands are doing so good with their products. It's just that no big YouTuber or, you know, like people are just not aware about it, but they're making some bomb products. So I'm talking about the Insight Makeup Essentials Pro this palette. This is their concealer palette, which has conceal, correct and contour, and this is how the palette looks in reality. I'm going to just open it up so you guys can see closely. So this is how the palette looks. Now I was looking for like a color correction or this sort of palette for a while now. I really wanted to give it a try, and the only good palette that I found was either Nykaa का conceal and correct कुछ palette था, या फिर Forever 52 का एक palette आता है जिसके अंदर I think 16 shades होते हैं. Both of them are pretty damn expensive, and अगर आप individual pots लेना चाहते हो, I think Cuffs and Lashes does concealer pots, and pack के भी आते हैं, but then again single color बहुत expensive है. Now I got this palette under rupees 200, and if you can see closely, मैंने already इसके कुछ shades try करे हैं. This is amazing, like amazing. The formula of these is just so beautiful. So I used this shade right here directly under my eyes, and it just vanishes my dark circles, like vanish, khatam.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
एंड उसके बाद मैं फाउंडेशन लगाती हूँ, और थोड़ा सा अपना स्विस ब्यूटी वाला कंसीलर, एंड इट गिव्स मी अ फ्लॉलेस अंडर आई, flawless base, great for hiding your spots, acne and everything else. And even this shade, it's very nice to do like your cream contour. And then we also have a orange. I basically really wanted an orange. Sometimes my dark circles are just too bad and I need to hide them. उसके लिए color correction important है, and बहुत ज़्यादा time से I've been just using my peach concealers or like orange lipstick use कर ली, but I was really wanting कि मैं एक अच्छा color corrector try करूँ. Of course it comes with other shades as well. We have a green, yellow and purple for specific skin concerns. For example, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा redness है, so you can use green to tone down your redness. So that's why, but this is such a great palette. I think a professional makeup artist, if you're looking for something like this, अभी अगर आपको ज़्यादा expensive में invest नहीं करना है, you can definitely check out this palette. Like, it's a great product, okay? Like, it's very nice. Okay, moving ahead, I have some refills and backups. So I got the Gillette Venus Breeze refills. I've been using this razor for approximately 1.5 years now, and every time there's a sale or anything, I make sure that I get a refill, and I actually shave a lot, so I need to have my refill. So that's why I got this one. So it's a very pretty decent, nice body shaver. If you are looking for a razor, please get this one, it's very nice. Okay, next up I have another skincare product, which is the Plum Green Tea Oil Free Mattifying Moisturizer. Such a beautiful moisturizer, again underrated product, such a gem, especially for combination skin types, oily skin types. Do try this moisturizer. First of all, packaging is a pump based packaging, so no hassle. It's fragrance free, so people with sensitive skin types can also try this one. कोई fragrance नहीं है इसके अंदर. Again, Plum is a cruelty-free brand. It's an Indian brand, and in general, I feel like Plum Goodness has been launching some great products. So you guys can definitely try this moisturizer in specific. I love it. Okay, moving ahead, I have a new product that I've never tried. This is the Bombay Shaving Company Precision Face Razor for Women. So of course, I shave my face as well, so I need a razor for that. So that's why I got this one, and this is how the razor looks. It's a pretty decent normal packaging, comes with a covering and a cap. So I haven't tried it yet, but मैं जब भी इसको try करूँगी, I'll be posting a mini review on my Instagram stories or a reel. I'm pretty active on my Instagram, you guys, so just follow me yaar. So I think no hauls are complete without lipstick, and I have a few lipstick right here, you guys. So all of these lipsticks are the My Glam Lit lipsticks and Lit Matte lipsticks, and I've been collecting them for a while now, and this is how the shade range looks. I know there are some pretty questionable shades right here, so of course I'm not gonna go deep into all of these shades, but I'm gonna just show you guys some of my favorites. So this one shade that I've been wearing a lot on my Instagram and a lot of people have been asking about is this shade, which is known as Micro Cheating. It's a very cool toned dark brown, and it matches very nicely with my hair, so it looks very nice, especially for the fall and winter season. बहुत ही coffee brown vibes हैं इसकी, so it's a very nice shade. Next up I have this really nice sort of a dark plummy purplish shade. It's very like plum when you wear it, and it's called Slow Fade. It's a beautiful shade, especially for the wedding season. It's going to look amazing. Festive season में बहुत ही प्यारा shade लगेगा ये. Another shade is this very beautiful mauve pink shade. Camera पे it's looking very bright, but this is the shade that I'm actually wearing today, and it's called Homebody. I think so, it's called Homebody, and it's a beautiful, perfect everyday go-to shade. Next, I have like 2 to 3 very different sort of shades which are like here. I don't know their shade names, but this is a very neon pink. Then we have this lilac right here. I don't know what I'm doing with my lipstick shopping anymore. Then this one is a very purplish lipstick. Basically what I want to tell you guys is that these lipsticks are totally matte, like nothing, okay. So these are totally matte lipsticks, non-transferable, and they are super long lasting. Like, hear me out, they are definitely very long lasting. अगर आपका मेकअप रिमूवर पिंक वाला गार्नियर मेकअप रिमूवर है तो उससे आपकी लिपस्टिक नहीं हटेगी. यू हैव टू यूज़ वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप रिमूवर, उससे ही आपकी लिपस्टिक हटेगी. प्लस दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल. कुछ लोगों को ड्राई फील हो सकता है, तो मेक श्योर दैट यू, ऑफ कोर्स लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स आर ड्राइंग, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू मॉइस्चराइज योर लिप्स नाइसली. अगर आपके बहुत चार्प लिप्स हैं तो आप एक्सफोलिएट भी कर सकते हो. बट दीज लिपस्टिक्स आर bomb.com, एंड इफ यू लुकिंग, आप बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ रहे थे कि कोई नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल लिपस्टिक मिल जाए जो जल्दी से ना हटे, this is the one that you need to try. Okay, last but not the least, I've invested in some of my makeup tools. Here I have the HP Bronson Official Pink Ultimate Classic Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge. So much for a little beauty blender. So I'm gonna just tell you guys something very funny. So this is how the blender looks. I haven't used it till now. It's like baby pink in color. Okay, it's very nice, cutie pie. But I was just opening it and my brother said, "ये तूने क्या hand grenade मंगाया?" And I know it doesn't sound funny now, but जब उसने बोला था it was very funny because he just called a beauty blender as a hand grenade, which was a pretty disturbing comparison. But yeah, anyways. Okay, so lastly I have a few brushes with me that I want to show to you guys. So first up is this ProArt PE23 brush. This is how this one looks, and इसका handle कुछ इस तरीके का है. So this is such a nice brush, especially for like packing your shades and even like doing like very जो close blending होती है ना, ऐसे आपके corners वाली blending, उसके लिए this brush is perfect. All of my eye brushes are from Amazon, and वो जो चीप सा सेट आता है ना 250-300 वाला, मेरे वो वाले ब्रशेज हैं. बट स्लोली एंड स्टडीली आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि ब्रशेज भी मैटर करते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेकअप. सो स्लोली आई एम बाइंग लाइक 1 or 2 ब्रशेज दैट आई नीड. ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे आई विल बी बिल्डिंग अ नाइस कलेक्शन ऑफ ब्रशेज. बट दोज आर ऑल्सो ग्रेट, अमेजोन वाले. बट धीरे धीरे आई कैन लाइक आई थॉट लाइक आई कैन इन्वेस्ट 1-2 ब्रशेज हेयर एंड देयर. सो दिस वन इज ग्रेट. आई now understand why makeup artists and professionals hype over ProArt brushes, because they are damn amazing. Next up I have this angular brush from Allure. Very basic, very normal angular brush. So it is perfect for like doing your eyeliner, you know, if you're using like a gel liner, or अगर आप eyeshadow से अपना eyeliner create करो, so उसके लिए it's perfect because it's an angular brush. So for that purpose it's very nice. Quality is very nice, and the bristles are also very decent. Then I have this flat eyeshadow brush which is from Vega. Again it's a very मतलब ये बिल्कुल एक flat brush है, ठीक है. So I also applied my glitter today with this brush. Again for like patting some sort of shades और कुछ glitter application के लिए you need like absolutely plain or flat brushes. So उसके लिए this one is great. Again quality is very decent and nothing that I can complain of. I am happy with what I paid and what I got, so you guys can also try it. Last product of this haul is this HP Bronson Professional eyeliner brush. Now this is how the brush looks. Again I wanted a very precise brush, sometimes you want to do like some sort of creative looks and everything. So मेरे पास eyeliner brush था नहीं, because मैं usually eyeliner जो eyeliner के साथ applicator आता है उससे use करती हूँ, like जो भी उसके ऊपर है. Yeah, anyway, I know you guys understand, but ये वाला मतलब मुझे उतना precise नहीं लगा जितना मैं इसको expect करी थी. Like it's not very पतला, ठीक है, बट आई कैन स्टिल मेक माई वे थ्रू इट. मैं कर लेती हूँ इसको कभी कभार यूज़. इट्स नॉट बैड, इट्स जस्ट दैट मुझे जितना पतला चाहिए था उतना पतला ये है नहीं, बट ओवरऑल क्वालिटी वाइज एंड वैसे इट्स फाइन. सो दैट्स इट फॉर माई Nykaa haul, you guys. I hope that you guys got some great recommendations. Trust me, I still feel like I have so many more products that I want to show you guys that I have been using in the past and gave up, but I don't want to overwhelm you guys with this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which was your favorite product or any product that you would like to try on my recommendation. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, tata and namaste.